Okay, folks, continuing on the Vanagon towing project. So now we have to make up an adapter for four wire to 3-wire tail lights, and this is the adapter as it's progressing with 3 relays. And this is where it has to be wired in this little box in the corner, and then this wiring adapter there. Well, getting this trailer light project going to convert from 4-wire lights with separate turn signals and brake lights, and then converting them to take the trailer ones that have the brake lights and the flashers combined. Okay, so there's where we were. It goes into the box there, the wiring, and then the converter's in there. I'll show you a little bit about that. Okay, the project box for the converter is this Linksys box with a dead Linksys board removed. And this is how it works. There's 3 relays there, and a lot of wiring. So it's that's how it works. Okay, for testing purposes, we'll just pretend that those lights are on the back of a trailer. Looks like got a brake light problem. Okay, so I'm thinking we can call this one a success.